right, welcome. Now we're after lunch. Everybody's all excited. You got lots of energy because you've just eaten lots of calories, so that's awesome. If we could get the presentation up. So this is the Building an Effective Digital Workforce session, part of our digital transformation track, if you will. My name is Mark Sen Gupta. I'm with ARC, and I'm along with my colleague Mike Guilfoyle. We've put this together. Oh, I hit the hide the slide key. There you go. Housekeeping, please silence your cell phone. Please provide feedback after the session. If you like more sessions like that, make sure we get feedback on that. Again, please silence your cell phone. It is very embarrassing when you have this message 3 times on a slide and then 10 minutes into the session you get a phone call. So anyway. Okay, so I'm going to go through 3 slides, and then we're going to go into our session. The session is going to be very informal. We've got, I'll introduce the panelists at the end, and we want a lot of interaction. So we want you to talk. They're going to ask questions of you. We want answers from you, and you're welcome to ask questions of them. So it's going to be very great. So when we talk about workforce change, right? You think about the way we traditionally organize our companies, right? We've got people in our companies that make the stuff, and then we got people in our companies that sell the stuff. And they generally don't talk, right? The marketers have their own world, and they live in that world, and the operators have their own world, and they live in that world. With digital transformation, it's changing. The interactions with the customer are getting tighter and deeper into the organizations and vice versa, right? So this is going to have a very big impact on how your workforce thinks and how they do their work, okay? Now, one of the things that's very important in digital transformation is digital transformation strategy. And one of the things the thing you got to keep in mind when you're looking for strategy, you need questions to help guide that strategy. So, what roles and resources are needed to begin this transformation? Do you have an idea of that? Do you have a concept of what that's going to look like? And what is that going to look like as you make the incremental changes to get to that final goal? Okay, what skills are you going to need? Obviously, the skills I had when I started off as a process control engineer are not the skills I need now as a process control engineer. And those, you've got to map that out over time. What are you going to do with a worker that you've replaced? What kind of skill sets are you going to transition them with or to? When it comes to knowledge management, what is your plan for knowledge management? How do you transfer? Especially nowadays, we keep talking about the 10,000 people, was it a day, that are retiring? I think that's just in the US. But regardless, that's experience, that's knowledge, that's leaving your company. It's never coming back unless you decide to contract them and they work until they're 70, 75, which is also happening. But you've got to have a plan for that. Right? And then how will those expectations for leadership evolve? What kind of leadership do you expect? What will it need? What will the organization need? So that's what you've got to build your strategy around workforce. You need to have the answers for those types of questions. Now this next slide is what we call at ARC the Viking long ship of really, 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 really hard work. Okay. So a lot of people, they get, that doesn't have a button. Okay, I thought it had a pointer. But down on your left, you see this discover and form part, right? This is where a lot of companies are right now. Oh, we're talking about digital transformation. We've got to do some stuff. Hey, here's a problem. Maybe we could do something with that. And then you move into the pilot phase. And you check things out, you experiment, you do stuff, and then you go to scale. And this morning's session we talked about scalability and how to get out of this thing. But this part is really, really hard because there's a lot of cultural problems that you run into. It's not the technology that makes it difficult. It's the people that make it difficult. It's your workforce. And you've got to manage that workforce. What is your strategy for managing the workforce? And then eventually you'll start to hit a stride, right? And you start firing on all cylinders, and the workforce is engaged, and you've got the right skill sets, and people are just living digital transformation. Oh yeah, we need to do that. We'll just adapt. How many people just change? How many people love change? Anybody? Nobody? Right? You ever read that book, Who Moved My Cheese? Very interesting book. Short read, right? Okay? So this is some thoughts, some like basic thoughts for the discussion we're about to have, right? So in this session, what are our goals? Our goals are that you share, right? What's going on in your company? What's working, what's not working? We want you to participate, be open, balance your input with I don't want one person speaking the whole time, yeah? And then the other thing we really want to encourage is that you get to know people in here that you can build a peer network with, and you can start bouncing ideas off of, asking questions, learning from one another, yeah? Okay, and with that, these are our two panelists. They will be directing our discussions today. Chandra Brown, CEO of MXD. I'll let them, they were on the panel this morning. They've introduced themselves already. And then Jim Bilsting with Owens Corning. And with that, I think you guys can grab a couple of mics and we can start.